Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to download Twitter videos to gallery. So let's get started. First, open the Twitter applications, and by the way, just want to let you know that Twitter icon was already changed to X. So after that, select a video that you want to be downloaded to your gallery. So just a moment, like this one. So once you already selected a video, just hold on, click the share icon on the right side, and then select copy link. Click copy link, and then exit on Twitter applications and go to your browser. To go to Chrome browser. So just a moment, Chrome browser, and then search for Twitter video downloader. Twitter video downloader, and then select SSS Twitter. This one. Then copy the link right here, and then click download. Then after that, there's some options below. Download a video to HD, or the resolution of the video that you want to be downloaded on your mobile phone. So I will be selecting convert to MP3, and that's it. That's how to download Twitter videos to gallery. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and updates.